It's not normal that we lose our vision randomly, but I could connect it to stress both times, like intense on a different level, but intense stress in my life.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's probably it's cliched, for us to say you need to lower your stress. In fact, I was at a function last night and someone was recounting an interaction with their GP, and they said, the GP said, "Are you happy? Are you stressed out?" They were trying to ask them the correct questions, but was so programmed to not maybe, I don't know if it's not honestly answer that, but acknowledge that there's a lot of stress going on or appreciate that we're more programmed to be like, okay, just push through all that. And self-care is not really, you know, been part of our programs. Like that's just, you were raised by you were raised by. My parents, they didn't do any self-care. I mean, my parents were like, raised during the American Depression. They were older. They had me when they were older. So they always, probably from a peer standpoint, looked like grandparents rather than parents. And, people raised during the Depression had a far different outlook on the world and what was, considered stressful to them was just like, oh, that seems pretty easy, probably. Like my dad was in World War II, probably a different kind of you know, uh, experience in terms of stress. Now we don't have, I haven't experienced that, kind of stress. And I will say, as we've talked in group before and offline before that, taking care of yourself is paramount.